Buenos dias. I know I look like a mess, but I wanted to film this first thing waking up so you can see my hair in its natural morning state. It's a mess, I know. It's so damaged. So I'm excited that Gussie sent this over so I can try it out. I've been buying hair masks, hair treatments, anything that to treat this. Says it's a clean, safe, formaldehyde-free, certified cruelty-free product, and it's made in the USA. And it's a bit of a process, but I want to see the outcome. I'm excited to see the results. I'm excited to see this hair straight. They claim to give you up to 6 weeks of shiny, smooth, healthy hair. I love the sound of that. We're gonna go in with this priming shampoo, and then with this smooth operator keratin treatment. Let's see how it goes. We're gonna go wash our hair. Vámonos. Okay, I washed my hair already with the shampoo, and now I'm gonna go in with the keratin treatment. I'm gonna be sectioning off my hair. This is the result after doing the treatment. You have to blow dry it and then flat iron it to seal in the product. And as you can see, I can smoothly run my fingers. My hair feels very, very soft after applying this product. And this is the back. Like those shampoo commercials. I like how it's making my layers here stand out really nicely. Very lightweight. I love it so far.